Siyempre, kasama din natin ang nadagdag. Walang iba kundi si Hot Ronix.
Yun.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's up mga kakunyan? This is your cheche for today, Hot Ronix.
Wow! Hindi siya handa,
Hindi siya prepared.
Hindi siya prepared.
Pang DJ nga rin yung boses.
Oh, diba?
Pang DJ yung boses.
Actually, nanginginig ako.
Meron tayong 1 to 20 questions kay Hot Ronix muna. Hot Ronix, mamili ka na number 1 to 20. Go!
8.
8. When you're feeling stress, pag medyo pagod ka na, no, parang naiirita ka na sa mga nangyayari sa buhay mo, how do you deal with it?
Yeah, actually, I'm stressed with my kids.
Dapat ang
Sorry.
umpisa dyan. Thank you very much for that wonderful question.
Yeah. Tapos gaganon ka. Thank you very much. Ganon. Oo.
Go, Hot Ronix.
Okay, so actually, yeah, thank you for that question.
Yun.
Yeah, so I feel stressed when I, what do you call this one? Encounter with my kids.
Okay.
And it's very normal as a mother. But when I deal with it, yeah, isayaw ko na lang, i-TikTok ko na lang. Yun lang.
Ganon.
Yes,
So
po.
you dance your sorrows away.
Yes, yeah, even in the kitchen, anywhere, in the street, yeah, I do.
Goal mo. Okay, next is Hot
Hot
Ronix.
Hello.
1 to 20.
18.
18. Uy, next to 19 yan ah. Ikaw ba ay nakapag-disconnect na sa telepono mo for more than 24 hours?
I think not yet.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you see
It's
your
24/7.
24/7
Yeah.
na nakadikit ka sa phone mo?
Yeah.
Okay, tanggalin natin phone mo. What will happen kaya sa'yo?
I think it's okay. It's
You
better.
think you'll survive?
Yes, I think so. Because I can stay away from stress.
So,
Yeah.
inaamin mo na ang
Phone is stress.
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Yeah, because
Okay.
you can see a lot of information, misinformation, and then
Nakaka-stress nga naman. No?
tapos especially what's happening around the world, yung mga crimes like that. So I have a negative thinking
Oo.
about
Medyo
my kids.
na-absorb mo yun. Yung negativities
Yeah.
na nababasa mo and then it causes stress. Medyo na ano
Yes,
ka.
yeah, especially I'm away from my kids, and then
Oo nga.
alam nyo naman na what's happening today, yung mga kabataan.
Correct.
Yun.
Ang maganda na lang, we have content creators like Chef Boy
Stay
Mang
lang
Yan.
po kayo sa page ko kung gusto nyo malinis.
Yes.
Ang ganda ng accent ni ma'am, no? Ang
Alam
ganda,
mo,
no?
Chef, napansin ko yan kanina.
Parang
gusto ko pang
gusto kong bumalik sa pag-aaral ngayon.
Di ba? No? Ang
Wow,
galing.
thank you so much.
Teacher!
English teacher.
Oh, that's why!
English teacher
English
ka
teacher,
din.
yes.
Ah,
Sa international school yan sa,
So,
sa
before I
Cebu.
work here in the
Is it sa Cebu
before I
ba?
work here in Hong Kong, I was a teacher in the Philippines.
Ang galing
Yeah.
naman.
bakit hindi po nyo i-pursue dito? Open naman na sila.
Oo, actually nag-apply ako yung isang din content creator
Apo.
dito. But sad to say, hindi pa na hindi na absorb. So at least
Apo,
I tried
keep
my
trying.
best.
Keep trying.
Yes. Sabi niya dito sa post na to, gustong gusto ko pong mawala. Mawala na ang utang na loob culture dito sa Pilipinas. Dahil sobrang toxic po ito. Hindi po porket pinagbuntis ka ng 9 na buwan, pinakain, pinag-aral at pinagtapos ay obligasyon mo na agad tumanaw ng utang na loob sa parents mo. Responsibilidad po ng mga magulang ito. May sariling buhay po ang anak at dapat hayaan siyang magbuo ng sarili niyang future nang hindi na kayo nakikialam. Ganito po ang kinalakihan ko sa Australia at sana maging normal na rin ito sa Pilipinas. Anong masasabi niyo dyan? Let's start off with
Tronics.
Hot Ronix. Bilang isang guro,
Yes, of course.
ma'am, ano po masasabi niyo tungkol sa context ng post niya tungkol sa utang na loob? Utang na loob sa magulang.
Yeah, dapat talaga magtanaw ng utang na loob. Yeah, we have a debt of gratitude to our parents because without them, we are not here in this world. Yeah. So, dapat lang din na we have to give back on what they have done to us. Yun. And then they said that yung ano na yun, yung context na yun kasi nandun siya sa Australia, doon siya nakaano, di ba?
Yes.
So it's different. We are in the Philippines and then our culture is also different.
Iba. Yung kultura natin is very different
Yeah.
from those sa
Yes.
European countries. Okay.
So we cannot adapt that one because we already started from this kind of culture.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am. Kat.
Agree ako sa iyo.